Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we are going to show you the Hotronix Fusion IQ hat press.
Stay tuned. Okay, so today in this video, we are going to be working with our Hotronix Fusion IQ press. It's a 360 press. It's perfect for doing many items. So if you are familiar with the Hotronix Fusion IQ press, this one will be very similar in terms of the technology that is on the screen here. So this is a touch screen. It has actually two settings though versus the Fusion. So you're gonna have a bottom heat and a top heat, which is very nice for doing, multiple items. Still comes with the same stylus. So you can, set your settings. You can choose, your timer temperature. That's gonna be a handy tool for you. You have your standard cap platen right here, where you're going to place your cap. You have your lever right here, where you're going to kind of tighten that pressure on there, make sure the hat or the surface is nice and firm and has good tension on it.
So some of the things that you can do with the hat press beyond actual hats are going to be some smaller items. You can do onesies, where you just set it right over the top here and just have a good printable area. You can do small towels, bags, many different small items. You can do left chest logos. So it's not just exclusive for hats. Also, some of the other things that do come with the press are these foam pads. So with this pad here, you would use this if you were applying vinyl to your hat or your item. These would be used for emblems. So emblems come in different thicknesses, so you would use the pad that would correlate with that.
So with this press, One-Platen, like I said earlier, it really fits all. So you can do anything here that you see on this particular platen. You don't have to change out platens like you may be used to on other presses. Another thing is it auto pops up. So as soon as your timer goes off, it's going to pop up automatically. So always be careful with that.
With such a large variety of temperature options, you can do anything from vinyl, emblems, up to sublimation. A huge, huge variety, just like the IQ press.
Exactly. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to check out our product online at coastalbusiness.com and just let us know if you have any other questions.